Don't miss this great vehicle. It's equipped with great features. You'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Visit the dealership today and see this vehicle firsthand. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, power moonroof. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.